Okay, so I have two questions here, which are equations involving indices. This question says, so for x, the first one says 5x, but x alone has been raised to the power half, which is equal to 45. Now take note that 5 is not raised to the power half. It's only x which has been raised to the power x. So which has been raised to the power half. So in this case, all what we have to do is just divide both sides by 5, so that we get x to the power half equal to 9. Now this is not the same as when they give you this, let's say equal to 45. In this case you can't divide by 5 because even 5 has been raised to the power half. So take note. So now that we've raised this to the power half, what does this mean? According to the rules of indices, half is just, we can introduce a square root, right? Okay, so there's no problem if you introduce a square root here and introduce a square root, the square both sides, not the square root but the square. So I'm going to introduce the square both sides so that I can get that and get that eliminated, so I can make x is equal to 81. This one, with this one, we can see this here, there is 3, and we can see this one is the square root of x equal to 81. Well, this can be written as 3x, all right, then this, remember, x square root is just x to the power half, we know that, right, equal to 83 can be written as 3 to the power 4. Do you agree? Trying to place the same basis there. Okay, now if this is the situation that we have, we can divide by 3 throughout. We can divide by 3 throughout. So here we are going to mean what? X multiplying what? X to the power half equal to 3 to the power 4 over 3. You get it, right? So now remember, this x is raised to the power 1. Now what do we know about bases that are the same? We add the powers and maintain a single base. So 1 plus half is just 3 over 2 equal to, now I know that this will just remain as and when we are dividing bases that are same, what do? We just subtract the power. Now this is just power 1, so we're going to have 3 to the power 4 minus 1, it's 3. You see now? Now if I want to eliminate, let's say I want to remain with x here, what can I do? I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this power, both sides, so that I can get rid of this, so I can remain with x equal to, of course this and that goes, I remain 3 to the power 2, and my x remains what? 9.